Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna do bread omelette using single egg. If you prefer double egg bread omelette, then just double the ingredients, but the process remains the same. Add butter to the hot pan at two opposite directions because we are gonna toast two slices at the same time. Adding butter gives amazing taste, but you can skip it or add oil instead. Let it crisp and become a bit brown color for 1 to 2 minutes per side in a medium flame. Now keep it aside. For omelette, we are using coriander leaves, tomato, green chilies, spring onions, and onions. Spring onions are optional. Take single egg and add all the ingredients as per your taste. Add salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder and mix well. For the same pan, apply oil. For single egg omelette, you need to shake very well so that you get a big surface area. After 2 minutes in a medium flame, take a toasted slice of a bread and keep it over the omelette when it is still wet. And then start folding as shown in the video. Gently tap all the sides. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe for our regular updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.